Vanakkam. I'm Tulasi, happiness coach and CEO of Giantly. I'm super excited to share you the first self-help technique. This technique starts with letter M. Yes, my dear friends, you guessed it right. Today we are going to explore about meditation. Already some of you would have already started to do meditation and it has been a part of your daily regime. So that's a wonderful experience for many of us. And for those who are going to begin, for those who want to focus a little more, just a brief understanding about what meditation is. Meditation is nothing but just watching the thoughts passing by and yet remaining still. So stillness and silencing the mind is the significant purpose of doing meditation. Okay, now why do we do meditation? We do meditation to be calm, to reduce the anxiety, to just relax ourselves. Also meditation is used to heal mind, body and the spirit. I'm also a Reiki healer, so many times we use meditation to heal ourselves as well. And also most probably meditation is also used to find a solution for your problems. That is also possible. Meditation is used to manifest your dreams. So if you have a desire, you want that to manifest, absolutely meditation can help you in that regard. Meditation also helps you to connect to yourself and thereby connecting to the divine source. That's so interesting. The most significant part that I really feel so close to my heart is generating love and compassion. That is the best thing that I find myself doing meditation all the time. So this is about the basic understanding of why we need a meditation. What about certain rules are there? Are there certain rules? People keep asking about it. Yes, you need 3 things. 1, you need to choose a time. So that is a fixed time. Initially as a beginner, if you're a beginner, please choose a standard time, fix it, and every day make it a point that you do on that particular timing. For example, if you're going to wake up at 4 o'clock or if you're going to wake up at 5 o'clock, the first thing that you can do is start your day with meditation. This is possible. The second thing is you need to choose a place. So for some time you need to anchor the place. You need to choose a place wherever you feel comfortable with and you're not disturbed at all by the external environment. So it's all about the peacefulness. I would definitely say, I keep saying to my audiences, I keep saying to my clients that we are not only social animals, we are also very distracted beings. So we get distracted easily. So choose a place where you are not disturbed by anyone. The third and the very important one is you need to choose yourself. Yes, you heard me right. You need to choose yourself. You have to set an intention for that particular day and you have to be totally present to the process. So these are the 3 things that you need it. Some of them would be asking what is the position of my hands? Should I keep it in mudra? I strongly suggest that unless otherwise you're very familiar with mudras, please keep the chin mudra, or you can use any other mudras as well, because every part of your finger, the vibration changes, the energy level also changes. If you're not sure about any mudras, please don't do it, but I would suggest rather to keep your palms open, facing outside. That is the facing the universe, as if you are thanking the universe. Here comes the most important part, that is meditation. How to do the meditation, right? Once you set the time, chosen a place, and also you are ready for doing this process, absolutely meditation is all set to begin. Right now, how to do this meditation? You can do this meditation by focusing your mind. During this prolonged quarantine period, every one of us tend to become restless, right? So we cannot say that I'm all the time happy. Is it possible? Absolutely no. So come face in face to the reality and start accepting the fact that you're restless. For this, what I want you to do is focus on object. So the first and the foremost technique is focus on the object. You can start focusing on the flame of the candle, you can start focusing on colors, you can start focusing on the chanting mantras, you can start focusing on any music that you like to listen, right? The second and the foremost important is focus on your breath. breath is absolutely powerful. So whenever you feel something disturbing you, you're not okay like that, just pause for a little while and then start focusing on a breath. So every time, inhale, exhale. You can start inhale and exhale to the counts of 7 inhalation and 7 exhalation. This is will be giving you instant relaxation. This is highly powerful and impactful technique. You can also add some versatility to it, like inhaling happiness and exhaling your anxiety. The third most important is to focus on thinking. Thinking, yes, very interesting, is it not? We keep thinking all the time. We keep thinking about what we don't want rather than what we want. So you have to start thinking what you want. For example, if you're a very angry person, you get irritated so fast, and then you're very impatient to just give time to others to even explain. In that case, and you really wanted to correct yourself, and you wanted to be a different version of yourself, then you have to start focusing on your new thinking. New thinking will definitely lead to new possibilities. So if in case you're a very angry person, in that case, start focusing on yourself within your mind. Start planting the seeds of love, compassion, kindness, patience, and then see that it's growing, underneath the soil, and sprouts coming up, and then it becomes a plant on the tree, and you start seeing a ray of hope, and you also start feeling this heap of faith, and also start hearing the words of reassurance. That would be the most interesting thing. So the once you have set the right intentions, it automatically lead to a new direction. These are the most powerful meditative techniques that comes handy during these times of pandemic period. So start using them. Do let me know how was it for you in the comments box below. I'll be waiting for your valuable feedback. Until then, stay happy, stay cheerful, and stay relaxed. Meet you tomorrow at another powerful self-help technique. Bye bye.